satisfying.
Coming to you live from where the shower used to be. Holding the hole until my mom gets back with a cap for the pipe. Because the water, up close, boom, comes out. And the caps that we had originally bought don't fit. So now I'm sitting here while she drives half hour there, get some new plugs, drives a half hour back so I can put them on. Meanwhile, one neighbor across the street is having a birthday party and got buku cars parking everywhere. The other neighbor across the street is apparently annoyed that there's a birthday party going on, so they feel the need to start blaring their subs out of their stupid ass Lincoln Navigator. It's been going on for about a half hour now, and it's pretty annoying that I have to sit in here with my finger on a pipe so that this doesn't flood any more than it already has. Having to listen to boom, 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 when, you know, instead of just doing passive aggressive shit, why don't you just go next door and, oh, can you move your car out of my yard? Thank you. Now, that's just me. But like I said, I can't do nothing about anything right now because I have my finger in a hole.
One eternity later.
Hello?
Not a good start.
Oh, hot. Shit, that hurt. Oh, shit. No, it did it that time.
Got it all the way around the back too?
Yeah. We'll find out.
Well, I'm gonna open this window and I can yell. Turn it off! I'm gonna keep video.
No, you stop. That's gonna fucking burn. Oh, God. Ah. Got too close to that mother. God. Well, this trailer was full of stuff. Somehow I fit it all in here. I officially got everything out of the unit and into this little tiny storage area. I'm eventually gonna have to turn this into a shop because this just ain't gonna cut it. I don't feel like having to take everything out every time I want to work on something. But for now, at least I can lock it all up and not have it sprawled across my house into the dump. And now I have a trailer full of trash to bring to the dump because I somehow managed to fill up this trailer over and over again, even though the house has nothing in it. And I really feel like this is not going to be the last time we fill it up either.